Hi, I'm Ian Carroll, and this is an FTL Talk. So I just finished building the extruder on this 3D printer, which is a really complex part, but I discovered in doing so the best part of this 3D printer. It's this, the cable. And it's not just one cable, it's actually this wrapping thing that goes around this cable. Look at how many cables are involved here. There's got to be 1, 2, I don't even know how many this is, probably like 6. I can't even count that high. But now that I have this wrapping around it, it's just one big cable. It's all the cables you need that connect to the extruder. And I can just plug all of these in, and also they don't get tangled in the way and stuff like that. The same sort of thing happens with software. You want good, clean abstractions like this, so that you don't have a whole bunch of little things that you have to worry about this and that and the other thing. Instead, you wrap them all into one neat package. And that way you can move the whole thing one way or the other. And that means all you have to do is expose an interface, such as this, to wherever it is that you're going, and everything is happy with that. And so it allows for us to make really complex systems by abstracting out the details this way. Same sort of thing in hardware. Anyway, that's it. Thanks. See you around.